is too slow.
What happened, man?
No, bro, I'm not looking for you.
You're looking for me?
No, bro, sorry.
What about me?
No, bro, it's okay. Oh, man.
Yeah. What's the problem?
Oh, you're great, man. I want to have this video fast.
Okay. Okay. Welcome to Windsor.
Downtown.
No, Windsor downtown is a different area with a different vibe, with a lot of historic charms and with a lot of modern amenities.
It features a variety of scenic view alongside the Detroit River and many restaurants and many culture events.
Windsor downtown has Caesars Casino, which was also, originally started from Las Vegas, USA.
Guys, we are at riverside of Windsor, and you can see this is Detroit River, which is flowing between the Detroit and Windsor city, and there is the Ambassador Bridge, which is connecting Canada and USA, which is pretty cool. As you can see, this is a recreational park near me. Along the riverside, children can play, have fun along with their parents.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Engine 5588, which is dedicated to the glorious time era of Windsor and Canada, which was very famous all around that in the year of 1911, and it has seen many years of success when it was finally retired in 1961. Then we went to Royal Pan, one of my favorite restaurants in Windsor downtown. It offers different types of Indian food. Here are some prices of the restaurant. We have ordered butter chicken and rice and some different type of butter naan.
Yeah, bro, the food was very tasty and delicious, you know?
$48.
It's nothing, bro.
Sam, here's your card.
What are you doing with my car?
Payment?
Muy amore, 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 muy amore.
Then we went to another restaurant, which is Loose Goose, and had some mocktails there and had fun together.
Well, there are many ways of transportation in Windsor downtown area, but now we are at Windsor downtown transit. So
Yeah,
this is the main transit of Windsor downtown. So people can go here and there by buses, and buses are usually run through only city. So if
So,
anyone-
what is the other way of transportation? Like, if I have to go somewhere else in downtown, like far away from Windsor?
like there is also one cab standing there, so people usually can book that cab. So there are also many ways. So I think the transit is the best way to go here and there in city downtown area. So if guys you want any information about that transit, you have to approach their local authorities. After that, you can also visit their online resources. Hello guys, today I am at Detroit River. As you guys know, this is a one and main office of like a cruises tickets known as Windsor Premium Cruises Ticket Office. You can take a breathtaking view of like Detroit River and have a classical food with great cocktails. You can also like book online tickets. This is a number of their office.
Valente Travel is a full-service travel agency. It is located in downtown Windsor. They provide vacational packages and provide special offers for couple, and also provides the services of destination wedding. Windsor downtown has Caesars, which is casino as well as a hotel. We can stay here for just $200 per night. Here is another option available in downtown Windsor, which is Holiday Inn Express. We can book our room for just $300 per night.
and the rooms are very neat and clean. Staff is very good and helpful. And if you talk about my recommendation, you should book the room on the top floor so that you can enjoy the scenic view of downtown Riverside.
छोड़ गया तू तन्हा मुझको, मिल गया हम सफर भी तुझको, तेरे लिए रोई रोई मैं रात भर.
Now we are in downtown Windsor. As you can see, the togetherness of people around me, which they are just because of famous Santa Claus parade, which is about to happen here in downtown Windsor. It took place every year in the downtown Windsor. It's a quite very famous parade. It includes many children and many ships, which is very pretty cool. And you can see the happiness of people.
Adventure Bay. Adventure Bay is also known as the sports complex of the Windsor downtown. So students of St. Clair College and University of Windsor can come here and have fun. It also includes the swimming pool, gym fitness, and moreover the children of any school can come here and have their enjoyment in the adventure park. So we can have an amazing experience over here. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our video.